Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Talk English. I'm Alex, and today you and I are going to learn how to speak English in daily life, naturally and confidently. You know, English isn't just about big grammar books or fancy words. It's about the small things we say every single day. How we greet people, how we ask for help, how we chat with friends, or even how we say no politely. So if you've ever thought, my English is okay, but I sound too formal, this lesson is for you. By the end, you'll know how to sound like a real English speaker, easy, relaxed, and confident. Let's jump right in. Morning routine. Every day starts with a few simple words. When you wake up, instead of the plain, good morning, try saying, morning, did you sleep well? Or, hey, you're up early. It sounds friendly, warm, and natural. If someone asks you the same, you can answer, yeah, pretty good. Or, not really, I went to bed late. Real people don't always say, I'm fine, right? They speak honestly, casually. While getting ready, use short, active sentences. I need a quick shower. Where's my phone? I'm running late again. Native speakers use quick, real phrases. They don't try to sound perfect. When you're leaving the house, you can say, all right, I'm heading out, or see you later. You can even add a friendly, have a good one. It means, have a good day. At breakfast. Now, imagine you're sitting at the table with family or roommates. You can say, could you pass me the sugar? Want some toast? I'll just have coffee this morning. And when someone asks, how did you sleep? You might reply, not bad, or like a baby, or could have been better. Short answers like these sound real and fluent. Here's a fun one. When you're too lazy to cook, you can say, I'll grab something on the way. That means you'll buy food outside, maybe on the way to work or school. Heading out/on the street. Now you step outside, you meet your neighbor. Instead of, hello, how are you? You can say, hey, how's it going? Morning? Busy day ahead? Or, what's up? These are friendly and modern. If they ask, how's your morning so far? Say, pretty good so far, or can't complain. Short, confident, natural. At the bus stop or train. If you're waiting for transport, maybe you meet someone new. They say, nice weather today, huh? You can answer, yeah, finally. It's been raining all week. Or if it's cold, yeah, freezing, right? These little exchanges are called small talk. They help break silence and make you sound open and friendly. If the bus is late, you might say, looks like it's running late again. Or, guess we're stuck here for a bit. Simple comments like that make conversation easy. At a cafe. Everyone loves coffee, right? You walk in, the barista says, hi, what can I get for you? You can say, hey, can I get a medium latte, please? Or, could I have an iced coffee with oat milk? And if you want to sound super natural, say, I'll grab a latte, thanks. That's what native speakers say every day. If the barista asks, for here or to go? You can reply, to go, please, or for here's fine. And when you get your drink, don't just say thank you. Add warmth, thanks a lot, or appreciate it. Tone matters. Your energy makes you sound more fluent than words do. Meeting friends. Now let's say you meet your friend at the cafe. Instead of the textbook, how do you do? Just say, hey man, what's up? Or, good to see you. That's what real friends say. If your friend says, long time no see, you can reply, yeah, been forever. Or, I know, right? Where have you been hiding? To ask about life, say, how's work treating you? How have you been? Or, everything good? If something funny happened, react naturally. No way. Seriously? Are you kidding me? These short phrases make your English sound alive. At work or school. Let's move to your workplace or school. When you arrive, greet your coworker or classmate. Morning. Hey, how's everything? Crazy morning, huh? They might reply, tell me about it. Or, yeah, it's been non-stop. You can respond with, same here. Or, I know exactly what you mean. If you need help, say, could you give me a hand with this? That means you're asking for help politely. Or, do you have a minute? That's a soft way to start a conversation. When someone helps you, say, thanks, I owe you one. That means you're really grateful. Lunchtime. When it's lunchtime, you can ask, what are you having? Or want to grab lunch together. At restaurants, you can say, could I see the menu, please? I'll take the sandwich combo. Or, that's all, thank you. When you like something, say, this is so good. Or, this hits the spot. It means the food is perfect. If you don't like it much, you can say, it's okay, or not my favorite. And when you finish eating, say, I'm stuffed. It means I'm full. Afternoon, small talk. Moments. Back at work or school, people often chat casually. Someone might say, almost Friday, or I need another coffee. You can laugh and say, same here, or tell me about it. If you want to sound positive, use, yeah, but we're getting through it. Hang in there. That means don't give up. Native speakers love short expressions that keep energy light and friendly. Evening routine. After work, you come home, kick off your shoes, and say, finally, home. Or, what a day. If a friend texts you, hey, what are you up to? You can reply, just chilling, or watching something, or relaxing after work. If you want to ask someone, say, what are you up to tonight? It means, what are your plans? You can also say, want to hang out? Or, let's grab dinner. In American English, grab is used a lot. I'll grab food, I'll grab a drink, let's grab dinner. It just means get or have in a casual way. Polite and friendly expressions. Now here are some must-know polite phrases for daily life. Instead of, give me that, say, could you pass me that? Instead of, what, say, sorry, or come again. Instead of, wait, say, hold on a second. And instead of, I don't know, try, I'm not sure. Little details like these make you sound friendly and respectful. Common mistakes to fix. Let's fix a few common mistakes. I'm going to home, I'm going home. She don't like tea. She doesn't like tea. He very tired. He's really tired. I didn't saw him. I didn't see him. Just fixing these makes your English 10 times clearer. Mini lesson. Sound more natural. Native speakers often shorten words. Going to, gonna, want to, wanna, got to, gotta. So instead of saying, I am going to call him, you can say, I'm gonna call him. But remember, it's for speaking, not for writing. Another tip, don't be afraid of silence. Pause naturally, just like you do in your own language. Speaking slowly is better than speaking fast and wrong. Confidence tips. Fluency isn't about perfection. It's about connection. If you forget a word, use another one. If you make a mistake, keep going. People care more about what you mean, not how perfect your grammar is. Practice a little every day. Talk to yourself in English. Describe what you're doing. I'm making breakfast. I'm getting ready. I'm leaving for work. It trains your brain to think in English. Watch movies with subtitles. Listen to how actors speak, their rhythm, their tone. Copy it. That's how you train your ear. Wrapping up. So today we learned how to greet naturally, how to make small talk, how to order food, and how to sound confident every day in English. Remember, Keep it simple. Keep it natural. Keep it real. You don't need fancy words. You just need practice and a little confidence. Speak a little every day, and English will start to feel easy. All right, guys, that's all for today. If you found this helpful, repeat these lines aloud. Your mouth learns faster than your memory. Thanks for spending time with me. I'm Alex, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep learning, keep talking, and keep growing. Bye, everyone.